guys, it's Jessica, and today we're gonna do just a review of some new MAC lipsticks. They sent me their Powder Kiss lipsticks, and I picked out 5 or 6 of my favorites that I wanted to share with you. These are $19. They're sold on MAC's website, but also at Ulta, which is always exciting because I feel like MAC is way more accessible than it used to be. It was very rare early on that I would place an order, well, A, because I couldn't afford it, but also just placing an order on MAC Cosmetics, I'm like, I don't know why, but I hate ordering from singular brand websites. I'd much rather be able to get it at Ulta or Sephora so I can get other things too. You know what I mean? I don't feel trapped into making it worth the price of shipping or whatever it might be. So these are $19 and they have a lot of shades. But what's cool about this line and why I wanted to do this, because I very rarely do like singular like lipstick swatch reviews. I haven't done that in a while. These are such a cool formula. And I put it on the other day and I was like, what is this stuff? It's so cool because if you're like me, I don't like matte liquid lips. I just don't. I've gotten rid of almost every single one of them in my collection. I don't like wearing them. They're very drying. I don't have anything on my lips right now. So these kind of replaced that for me. And I was like, why is no one talking about this product? So let's go through them. We've got, and I'll talk more about the formula. So the first shade I'm going to put on my lips is in the shade 305 Burning Love. And oh my gosh, these are like the thinnest consistency. So it's so thin that if you get too confident putting it on like I just did without lip liner, it will slide all over your face. It's such a thin formula, but it feels like powder, but not like dry powder. I've never tried anything like this. And I don't know, maybe there are other brands doing products like this, but I've never tried it. It feels crazy. It feels creamy and comfortable, but it definitely has this thin, powdery, almost look to it and feel to it. And the fact that it's so thin makes it feel, whoa, calm down, Jess, you're pulling your own hair. It makes it feel so like it's not necessarily gonna dry down on your lips too badly. And it doesn't. It still dries down a little bit, but it's nowhere near what it's like with any matte liquid lipstick I've ever tried, even the ones that were my favorite. This next shade is a lot more neutral. It's called 314 Mull It Over. This is a very peachy, pretty shade. These just glide right on. This might be my favorite fall lipstick. It's like the perfect, like, coffee-ish peach shade. You know what I mean. You know exactly what I mean. I feel like they should have called this like Cafe au lait or something. Like it's peachy, but it's like so muted that it is exactly correct for fall. It is exactly correct. I love it so freaking much. And again, I don't feel like it's going everywhere. Yes, I said earlier, I don't want to confuse you. When you're putting it on, it's easy to get outside of the lines, okay? That's what I meant by it glides right on, but it's not like going everywhere. Once it's on, it's not gonna be creeping outside of your lip line. It's staying where you put it. But the problem is if you're going like this and you accidentally put it elsewhere, it's easy to get outside of the lip line. Does that make sense? Oh my gosh, I'm not doing a good job at my job. Love this shade. Okay, this one is in the shade 316 Devoted to Chili. I don't know what that means, but that's fine. Isn't this shade cool? I feel like it's very, like sriracha-y. And in person, I wish the lighting were picking it up exactly as I'm seeing it in real life because it's a little bit almost lighter than the way you're seeing it. And I think it's just such a cool, different color. I do not own a singular lipstick that is this shade. And again, I think this one's a really cool one for fall. All right, these last two are super bright because I feel like this formula is really conducive to bolder or brighter colors because you're not going to be as concerned about it moving all over your face because it doesn't. So this one is 303 Style Shocked, and this is kind of like a bright orange. I just think this is such a fun color. I don't wear these very often, I will definitely say that, but in the summertime, if we're just like hanging out or like going to a park, just something fun. Okay, maybe a park is a weird example. Maybe like a cookout? No, is that still a weird? I don't know. I think it's just such a fun summery color. So this one is a little bit more pink tone, but it's definitely still bright. It's in the shade 315 Lasting Passion. I love this shade. It's like a bright red. You know what I mean? Not like a deep bright red, but a bright red. And I think it is so becoming on people that like red lipstick. I think this is a really pretty shade because it is slightly more berry toned. You know what I mean? It's just got that slight cooler shift to it. And I think it is so, so pretty. So I think my verdict on these is this is just my new favorite formula. It's such a cool, comfortable way to wear lipstick. And I feel like it's kind of in a way the answer to my prayers because I like the idea of liquid lipsticks because they dry down and they don't move, but I hate the way they feel. Like literally after an hour, you're self-conscious. You're like, oh, is it looking gross and dry and cracky and crepey and gross? I said gross twice because I really meant it. And yes, the answer is yes, it does look gross. But with these, it just looks so nice for a couple of hours and I never feel self-conscious wearing them. One thing I will say about this, and I was waiting till it happened so I can show you, one con is that it does get that little like line around the lips. Typically I can kind of rub them together and it actually gets rid of most of it, and then I'll take my finger and do that and that takes care of it. But it is something to note that it does do that because it does have a slight drying down thing. So it doesn't dry out your lips, but it does get that little line, if you know what I mean. So just be aware of that. So I wanted to read you, now that I've gushed about this, MAC's kind of description of this. It says, matte totally reinvented, delivering a romantic blur of soft focus color. MAC's weightless moisture matte powder kiss lipstick was developed to replicate a backstage technique, blending out edges of matte lipstick for a hazy effect. Its groundbreaking formula contains moisture-coated powder pigments that condition and hydrate lips. The result is the zero shine look of a matte lipstick with the cushiony, lightweight feel of a balm. Fall for this all-new soft touch, misty matte kiss of color. 100% agree. Cushiony is the word for it. It feels cushiony. Like I feel like my lips are pillowy with it on, and it is incredible. It's exactly what I've always wanted. And I do think you need to reapply them every few hours. Like I said, they're not like a stain. They're not. But they feel like one. They feel like they're not there, but they're not drying. Guys, I'm telling you, it's worth the $19. Find a shade that you love. Like I said, these are my favorite 5 of the bunch. I could see myself falling in love with more, but when I looked at all of them, these were the 5 I was drawn the most to. Now, these were sent to me, and honestly, a lot of the products on my channel were sent to me, but I'm always honest with you guys whether I like it or not. And frankly, I've been sent a lot of MAC lipsticks, and I don't like the original. I'm sounding mean, sassy. I don't like the original MAC lipstick formula. And so I've said that in many videos, including ones where they've sent me things. So I'm always going to be honest with you, but I really love this Powder Kiss formula. So 2 thumbs up from me, huge stamp of approval. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful as you watch many reviews on YouTube, and thank you for coming to watch mine. And if you'd like to catch more of my reviews, definitely subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.